when I'm really so sick. Yeah, it's a vicious circle. Smoking for saying these things. You're the ones. And me, I guess, because I brought him up. I like. Oh, you just ordered tickets to Sonata Arctica. That's great. This is. I don't know what a mool is, or I don't remember, depending on what we get. The Varuspel is probably gonna be contested. Along with everything else I own, I have to get a new one. In. I hear Pepper really wanted to go. Thank you, Specs, for subbing. So I am like amazed that people still want to watch me online. No. Oh wow, what do I even want? Maybe a reforger. You can't reforge that though. Snowstroke. Okay, but I'm gonna go and rest now. Okay, I guess we play ads right before the whole day. Then I went to see excuse me, I went to see a football match with my knee. No. So they have no cameras pointing there, or do maybe not this one. Excuse me. We're gonna travel by car and ferry. Circa is super hot. So when I got to Am's, night was the most fun night chat. It was like local. Yeah, maybe he knew how to open it. Either interrupted the signal or yeah. 6 months, man. Thank you. Wait. Raka, så... I'm sure blue items is good on Soraka, or? It is. Allow them to, it will. We will probably be ourselves before AI takes over. They will export wheat. Okay, should we try Olaf one more time? It's so warm though.